Welcome to our channel. Today we how to secure your crypto transactions with ShapeShift detailed guide step by step clearly. Begin by creating a ShapeShift account if you don't already have one. Visit the official ShapeShift website. Click on the sign up button located on the top right corner of the homepage. Enter your email address and create a secure password. Verify your email by checking your inbox for a confirmation link. Log into your ShapeShift account. To enhance your security, enable two-factor authentication, or 2FA. Navigate to your account settings and select the option for 2FA. Follow the prompts to link your account with an authentication app. Once 2FA is set up, you'll need to provide additional verification when logging in. Next, ensure that you have a secure crypto wallet ready for transactions. Choose a wallet that supports the cryptocurrencies you plan to use. Consider using a hardware wallet for added security. If you have funds in an exchange, transfer them to your secure wallet. Now, return to ShapeShift for the transaction process. Select the cryptocurrencies you want to exchange. Input the amount you wish to trade. Double-check the exchange rates and fees displayed. Once satisfied, enter your wallet address for the receiving currency. Confirm that the wallet address is correct to avoid any loss of funds. Review all transaction details before proceeding. When you're ready, click on the Confirm button to initiate the transaction. Stay informed about the transaction status via the ShapeShift platform. In case you encounter any issues, consult the ShapeShift support section. Be cautious of phishing attempts and always ensure you're on the official site. Regularly update your passwords and keep your devices secure. Perform transactions only on secure networks. Familiarize yourself with the fees associated with each transaction type. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.